Impact of dirt accumulation on solar panel efficiency. The efficiency of solar panels is crucial for maximizing energy production. This document explores the effects of dirt and debris accumulation on solar panels and quantifies the potential reduction in solar power output if the panels are not cleaned regularly. Understanding these impacts can help in making informed decisions about maintenance and energy production expectations. Introduction. Solar panels are designed to convert sunlight into electricity, but their efficiency can be significantly hindered by the accumulation of dirt, dust, and other debris. Over time, this buildup can obstruct sunlight from reaching the solar cells, leading to a decrease in energy output. This document aims to quantify the potential reduction in solar power generation due to unclean panels and emphasizes the importance of regular maintenance. Factors affecting solar panel efficiency. Type of dirt. Different types of dirt, dust, bird droppings, pollen, etc., can have varying impacts on solar panel efficiency. For instance, sticky substances like bird droppings can create a more significant reduction in output compared to dry dust. Geographical location. Areas with high levels of dust or pollution may experience more rapid accumulation of dirt on solar panels, leading to greater efficiency losses. Panel orientation and tilt. The angle and orientation of solar panels can influence how much dirt accumulates. Panels that are flat may collect more debris than those that are tilted. Weather conditions. Rain can help wash away some dirt, but in dry climates, panels may remain dirty for extended periods. Quantifying efficiency loss. Research indicates that solar panels can lose between 10% to 25% of their efficiency due to dirt accumulation if not cleaned regularly. The exact percentage can vary based on the factors mentioned above. Here is a breakdown of potential efficiency losses. Light dust accumulation, 10% reduction in efficiency. Moderate dust accumulation, 15% to 20% reduction in efficiency. Heavy dirt and debris accumulation, 25% or more reduction in efficiency. Conclusion. Regular cleaning and maintenance of solar panels are essential to ensure optimal performance and energy production. Neglecting to clean solar panels can lead to significant reductions in efficiency, ranging from 10% to over 25%, depending on various factors. By understanding the impact of dirt accumulation, solar panel owners can take proactive measures to maintain their systems and maximize energy output.